I've been planning my next book and exploring the essential skills that managers need to lead the training function. One skill is the ability to lead and manage projects and programs, to lead their teams in doing those work efforts. When this skill is missing, there's a few things that happen. It can be difficult to identify the correct stakeholders and their roles, so who's doing what. The team and the stakeholders often can lack clarity and guidance on what the project deliverables are, what the process is, what the tasks are. The project can also feel a little bit disjointed, and the deliverables, the training course, the learning program, whatever that is, can end up being less effective for learners. So the quality can suffer. And there's always three pieces with projects: time, quality, and budget. So if we know the quality can be compromised, we can also know that when there's project management skills that are lacking, timelines can be missed, deadlines can be missed, and budgets just can be bust altogether. So as a manager leading your team, your job is a few things. One is to draw on your experience with instructional design and project management to establish a process that your team can follow. So whether it's, classic waterfall, working through project plan, things like that, or maybe you have an agile approach or whatever that is, make sure that you have a process that your entire team can follow so you have some consistency. The other thing is, with that, making sure that you have templates and resources so that your team can approach projects consistently. What that means is things will be tighter within your team. It'll be easy for you to oversee because you understand that everybody's following the same process. But internally, outside of your team, it means that internal clients will appreciate the fact that if they work with one member on your team, they know that that'll be similar to how they work with a different member. So there's consistency internally, but also outward facing to your clients, which means that it'll be easier to work with those stakeholders and those subject matter experts. And then finally, as the manager leading the team, it's your job to address any issues that have been escalated and to manage that internal client relationship. So being able to manage projects and programs and lead your teams in managing projects and programs is one of the essential skills for managers who lead the learning function.